Okay guys, welcome back to part 2. This slime isn't quite ready yet, so we're gonna try and knead it as much as we can to make it quite smoother. I don't know if it will work, but just try kneading it as much as you can. This one's a glitter slime that I've got, so it's gonna get everywhere this glitter. Look at my hands. Very glittery. Now we're gonna add some more shampoo to this because it's not very slimish yet. It's more like still that clay sort of texture that we have. So let's grab this shampoo again and let's pour it in. That was lots. The shampoo sort of looks like honey. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video and we'll be back when it's ready. Okay guys, so this lime is now fixed with the shampoo, but as you can see it's still very stiff, so to make that more softer we're going to add some more lotion. Just open that up. Big plop of lotion there. Okay, we'll be back once it's ready. Okay, the slime is now ready, not fully ready, so we're gonna try and knead that as much as we can. Sort of like that and stuff. You want to stretch it, fold it back over, and then squish it, sort of like that. That's how you knead. I'm going to add a bit more lotion to this, but you don't have to if you don't need to. Oh, whoops. You don't have to if you don't need to. That just went everywhere. Okay guys, this slime is now ready. This lovely buttery textured slime. It's got this lovely soft sort of texture with it, and it's just a very good slime. Okay, so here is the after results. A very nice textured. It's sort of like a butter slime now. I really like it. Bye.